Every step you take now favor show. You know forget to say thank you, Lord. Now your life is sweet like honey for mouth. Got a vampire steady.
This one I give them normal life food.
God too good for your family. Don't do you well.
Give me my bed.
No more fear, no more harm. I shall go at a vacation. Your life, beautiful queen with a heart so pure. Anytime you show love,
Want I finish this?
your smile a blessing, your life so clean. You be living proof of waiting grace me. Your happy days stand like pillar for your side. Your children are joy where you know feel high. That have family love full everywhere. When God build a home, now peace go there. Working with passion, waking with grace. Every recipe carry your special taste. From India to Nigeria. Now you we know that God do I'm no be your strength alone. He carry you reach. You need a
Okay.
Where you go sit down here?
Mommy, this is.
Sit there. Me eat food.
Aha, I think you go sit there.
Me eat from here. Oh yes. Give you. Okay, Amanda, let me cook for you now. Amanda, you stay this place. You eat by yourself. This one, right?
Where's my own?
Your own is here. This one is your own. I already put this too. Make sure you eat this fish. You know you want to ask for it. Girl.
Mommy, who eats Muna?
Nobody eat them. I'm going to feed Muna. Sunday food. Happy Sunday, you are. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Hey. Muna eat big food though. Muna, I don't finish for later. They give you again, okay? I'm not going to begin with the pack food. So you guys, at this point, we are done eating our Sunday food. It's sweet. When I talk about it, it's sweet.
It's sweet though.
Gift is sweet. Gift you kwoku. Yes. So sugar is sweet.
Delicious.
Amanda is sweet.
Yeah.
Muna is sweet. Okay. Our mommy say it's yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.